Hey guys, welcome to the workout. Today we have a 7-minute full body workout with 2 household items. Whatever you want to grab out of your pantry. I just grabbed 2 bottles of jelly. And we're going to start with can openers, okay? So I want your thumbs extended and I want them facing down. The tops of your hands are facing each other. And we're just coming up making a V, okay? And we're working our rotator cuff here. We're just kind of warming that up. And we're going to go 15 reps here, okay? And remember to exhale when you come up. All right, next we're going rear can opener. So we're doing the exact same movement, except we're doing it behind us. We're still making a V. And I'm giving you a side view here so you can see exactly what that looks like. Okay, we're still working that rotator cuff, just hitting it at a little bit different angle for 15 reps. All right, next we're going to an upright row. Okay, I'm just pulling my elbows up to the ceiling and then coming back down. We're going 15 reps here as well. Okay, every time I pull up, I want to exhale. All right, good job, everyone. Next, we're going to go to a supine lat raise. By supine, I mean that your hands are facing up and your thumbs are still extended, and we're just coming up however high we can, about even with the shoulder, and then just coming right back down before those bottles hit our legs. Okay, next. Now we are going in-out squats, okay? And what I mean by that is you're going to take a step out and squat, then you're going to come back in. Then out with the other leg squat and come back in, okay? And we're just alternating, and we're going for a total of 15 reps here. Okay, we're getting those legs going. You're trying to come down to about 90 degrees if you can. You can come, you don't have to go all the way down to 90, but close to 90 is good. Okay, and you're going to exhale as you come up. So exhale. Good. Exhale. All right, good job, everyone. Next, we're going to go to a standing calf raise, okay? So I'm just holding those bottles at my side, and I'm just going up on my tippy toes as high as I can for 15 reps. It's kind of like I'm just peeking over a fence, okay? We're going to go 15 reps on there. We're just working that gastrocnemius, back part of the lower leg. All right, good job, everyone. Way to work today. I'm so glad you're getting this workout in. All it takes is that consistency, whether it's 5 minutes a day, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever it is. Just being consistent with that workout is what gets the results. Okay, next we're going to go to an overhead shrug. So I'm holding those bottles above my head, and I'm shrugging up. It's kind of an awkward movement when you first do it, but then as you go, you'll get kind of used to it. We're working those trap muscles, the trapezius. All right, next we're going to do a high curl. Okay, this is going to be for biceps. So I'm holding my arms up kind of high, and I'm just keeping them in that one spot as I curl the bottles up. Okay, and I'm going to go 15 reps on there. Every time I come up and curl it, I'm going to exhale. All right, you should be feeling that in your bicep. It's very isolating. All right, perfect. Good job, everyone. Okay, next we're going to go standing elbows out extension. Okay, so I'm holding those elbows out and I'm just letting my thumbs come down toward my chest, the front part of my shoulders, and then I'm just going to press them back up, kind of an up and out movement. Okay, so I'm coming down and then I'm going to come up and out. All right, getting the triceps here. Okay, the back of the arms. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to go back to lower body. We're going to do deadlifts. I want a slight bend in that knee. I want to make sure your knees are not locked out, but there's just kind of a soft knee there, meaning it's a little bit bent. And we're just going to keep those bottles as close to our legs as possible and come down as far as we can and then just come right back up. Okay, you're going to exhale as you come up. We're going 15 reps here. And I'm now getting a little bit of help from my daughter. Some of us that are moms, it's great to involve our kids in the workouts. Okay, that is a great example for them. Try to make it fun for them as well. All right, so my daughter wanted one of the bottles of jelly, so now I'm just going to hold the one bottle. But if you have two bottles, you can still hold two bottles. And you're just holding those above your head, and you're just crunching over to the side, okay? This is an overhead ab crunch, and we're going to go a total of 20 reps. It's kind of like I'm just bringing my armpit down to my hip. Just that lateral spinal flexion there. All right, good job. Perfect. Everyone, keep those arms as straight as you can. All right, next, we're going to go to a standing leg extension. Okay, so this one is going to take some balance as well. I'm just going to hold that one leg up in front of me, and I'm going to extend my knee. Okay, so I'm holding it up, and I'm just extending my knee for 15 reps. Okay. And again, this is a balancing act. If you need to hold on to something next to you, you can. If you want to challenge yourself and try to balance, then that is great. But if you need to hold on to something, don't worry, you can hold on to something. And I'm just giving you a side view here so you can see exactly what I'm doing. All right, next we're going to go a straight arm twist. Okay, so I'm keeping those arms straight in front of me, holding the one bottle or two bottles, whatever you want. And I'm just twisting as far as I can from one side to the other side, okay? And we're going to go 20 reps here. All right, we're getting those obliques, getting those abs. Perfect. All right, good job, everyone. Nice work. Okay, that is your workout for today. All right, guys, go out and make it a great day.